Good morning, everybody. It's Lashes Lane, and welcome to the vlog. Today, we are getting ready to go to Spooky Empire Day 1. We are setting up the merch table for Bad Witch Burlesque, and then we're exploring the convention, so I'm going to take you guys with me, of course. Bad Witch Burlesque, this is our 4th year performing at Spooky Empire. The original show date was actually October 12th for us. The convention got rescheduled due to Hurricane Milton, so originally it was October 11th through 13th. Now it's November 1st through 3rd. We are so happy that they had room for us on their schedule for these new dates. It's now at the Orange County Convention Center, so we're really excited. We've done the convention center once before, so this is gonna be the 2nd time there. Usually it's at the Hyatt Regency. And I have pretty much everything packed and ready to go. I did my whole morning routine. Did my makeup, ate some breakfast. I'm gonna pack some snacks, and then we are gonna go to the Orange County Convention Center. Let's go, guys. that is when I stopped filming. The burlesque show was so much fun. It was the Vaudevillains. They always perform on Friday night. I went home and then I went to bed. And today is day 2 of Spooky Empire. I am all ready. I had to work this morning. I was teaching some classes, and then I went to my parents' house. They live very close to where I work, and I got ready here. I'm about to go to the convention center for show day. It's Saturday. We are so excited. So I'm gonna film as much as I can today, and we're gonna have a freaking blast. Let's go. Stratton's dream came true. He got face painted, and
Hi, come to our burlesque show, W209 at 7:30. Why'd you spill your beans?
I obviously did not film for the vlog at all during showtime because we were busy. I was busy being a working woman, a boss. So you guys get clips of the show. This is us loading out. So that's the lovely behind the scenes content. It was a great show. Wasn't it a great show, guys? Woo! Yay! We did it! Yay! No, DJ Pony Beats.
So it's not a
He had a rough night.
Oh my God, he had a great night.
And that's on that. Put your back into it.
See you next year.
Your lashes.
The whole thing.
Listen, guys, I'm kind of tired. I think I'll go home now.
It is the last day of Spooky Empire. I am so excited to be here. Day 3. It's the costume contest today. So I'm really excited to see the cosplays. I performed last night. I'm a little sleepy, but I am excited. Let's go. We are hanging out at the table. Here is Sleepy.
I just want you guys to know that our table is right by the tattoos, and if you love tattoos like me, this is actual torture because I'm just hearing the buzzing needles, and all I want right now is to get a tattoo. I got a tattoo last year. I'm not wearing the proper attire for a tattoo today, so I can't get a tattoo, but I want one so bad.
hours and 23 minutes. You'll be mine.
Jack is back, looking for souls.
That's a wrap. I'm sad. I'm kind of sad.
Off to Olive Garden now.
Yeah, we get to go to Olive Garden now. Woo! But the tea is Black Hat Matt and Heather are here, and I guess Heather's getting her first tattoo, so we're gonna go find them. It's 5 o'clock. Vendor hall's closed. We are packed up. We're going, but we gotta see what's going on with this tattoo. Oh my God! Heather's first tattoo. And that concludes the Spooky Empire vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been such a great weekend. I'm so glad I get to share it with you guys on YouTube. If I saw you this weekend and you came and said hello, or you came to see the show, you guys are the best. Till next time, bye guys.